Alright, so in this video I'll show you how you can buy the University of Ghana admission forms using different methods. So you also discover a step-by-step guide on how to fill and submit your application. That's all the important information you need to know before buying the forms. So stick with me to the end of this video so that you don't miss anything. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Alright, so to start any online admission application, you first need to buy an e-voucher which contains a serial number and a PIN. So this is required before you can access any admission forms regardless of the school. So how do you get this e-voucher? There are several ways that you can get your e-voucher for your online application, but in this video I'll just highlight 3 different ways of getting the e-voucher for your online admission forms. So the first method is using your mobile money or a USSD code to buy your e-voucher for your online admission forms. You can also buy it through a website, or you can directly buy it from the bank. Alright, so how do you use your mobile money, or how do you use the USSD code to buy e-voucher? Now, to buy your e-voucher through your mobile money or a USSD code, you can just dial *389*223# and you choose from the option 4, that's buy tertiary forms. Now you select the type of voucher that you want to purchase. Since you are buying for University of Ghana, that's Legon undergraduate, you will go with option 2. So you have to select your payment method and authorize payments. So once your payment is complete, your voucher will be sent to you via SMS and WhatsApp. Now let's get to the method 2 of buying e-voucher using the website. So visit evoucher.mawulepe.com. Alright, so from this site you could see your transaction ID, and you have to select your e-voucher type from the drop down menu, and you have to provide your contact number, email, and the quantity that you want to buy. Then click on purchase to buy your e-voucher. Alright, so this is how you can buy your e-voucher through the website that I just mentioned in the video. Now let's get into the last part of the methods that you use to purchase your e-voucher. That's the buying directly from the bank. So you can buy the e-voucher at the following banks. You can buy it from Ecobank, Republic Bank, ADB, GCB, Zenith Bank, UMB, CBG, Prudential, First Atlantic, and Fidelity Bank. At the bank, the teller will ask you to provide your name, your mobile number, and your email address before issuing the e-voucher. So now you have your e-voucher, you have to visit the UG admission portal, that's apply.ug.edu.gh, and you have to enter your serial number and your PIN. So after entering your serial number and your PIN, you have to click on login to start the application process. Now, to keep this video short, I'll stop here. In my next video, I'll give you a full detailed guide on filling and submitting the UG admission forms. So if you are new here, I'm UNS Prince. I create videos on online applications, scholarships, and other educational opportunities. So please don't forget to subscribe and support the growth of this channel. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments box and I will respond to you. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.